I am relaxing.
Most unoriginal item series ever. LARP LARP. Most unoriginal item series ever. Most unoriginal item series ever.
Where's orange paper?
Don't know, don't care.
The money is wasted, I'm pissed.
It was the best thing to do.
Bull, fucking, shit.
I should say sorry to Nail. I regret everything.
Eat shit, you bitches, motherfucker.
This is peak.
Thanks, Nail. This is Mount Moowees, and this is Lake Marine. This boat is a life-size replica of one I had when little. It's called the M Monitor.
You are imaginative.
Thank you, Triangle.
This is not imaginative. This is stupid.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's fucking go.
Overhated and banned. You're all boring as fuck shit.
Wait, what is that light?